Welcome the our channel. Today we how to increase revenue with Target affiliate program, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, sign up for the Target affiliate program through Target's website. Complete the registration form with your personal information. Review and accept the program's terms and conditions. Once your application is approved, log into your affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard's features. Explore the available marketing tools and resources. Identify the products you want to promote. Create custom links for these products through the dashboard. Choose the appropriate channels for sharing your links. Consider using a blog, social media, or email marketing. Develop engaging content that highlights the benefits of the products. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within the content. Ensure your audience understands that the links are affiliate links. Monitor your performance metrics regularly in the dashboard. Analyze which products and content types generate the most clicks. Adjust your strategy based on these insights for better results. Stay updated on Target's promotions and seasonal sales. Promote these offers through your affiliate links to boost conversions. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions. Continually optimize your content for SEO to increase visibility. Build relationships with your audience to foster trust and loyalty. Evaluate your earnings and experiment with different products. Track your progress and set specific revenue goals. Celebrate your achievements and keep refining your approach. With dedication and consistent effort, your revenue can grow significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.